Hey, so today we're going to make some walkways. These are really quick and they have a huge impact on how the game is played. I just got a planked sign from the Dollar Tree and I tore it apart and got a ton of planks. This is a good solid base to add some glue and some other wood, or you could use foam core or popsicle sticks or whatever. I'm going to be using a combination of coffee stir sticks, matchsticks, popsicle sticks, and clothespins, just to add a bit of variety. Yeah, so this is a quick build, mostly because this week was spring break for the kids, and they alternated spring break, which just made it so much longer. And I don't know, we were a little short on hobby funds, so this one was really quick and easy. And I was really happy with how much impact it had on the board. Recently, I had the opportunity to play another game of Mordheim with my son, and I really felt like this was something we needed. And I don't typically build something I don't need, so I never really felt like this hole or this gap before in my game of Mordheim. A big enough hole that this needs to be filled, and a ton of other things that need to be built, including scatter terrain, things that other people have been recommending, but I just never saw I didn't know the game well enough to see the need for it yet. I'm finally getting around to it. Yeah, so basically I'm just tearing these things apart and I'm making them super ramshackled, not OSHA safe, and I'm just putting together with white glue. The difference of thickness between the coffee stir sticks and the matchsticks were really great because the difference of thickness allows the base to kind of hook into place, and depending on the angle or the elevation difference between the two spots you lean these on, that difference of thickness really did wonders for making the model stick where you want it. Because these things are so long, odds are you're not going to make it all the way across in that movement phase. I'm looking forward to seeing how these play on the game. And those are the clothespins right there. So this is kind of how they ended up. I just let it dry. I mixed up a brown wash and I added some black with just regular water, and I just sponged it on with a sponge brush and just let it soak in with a hair dryer blowing on it. This did a really great job to kind of just bring the whole thing together. And it's already wood, so I didn't really feel like I needed to make it look more like wood. I thought that was a bit redundant. I just put a black spray paint on the back of it, and we're basically finished. So this is a really quick build. I was short in time this week because of the spring break. I don't know, I just think this small thing making a huge impact on how this board plays and adds a bit of variety. If you would like to make make a huge impact, my Patreon is only $2 a month. So if you feel like supporting the channel, that would be great. I just would like to thank you for subscribing. We're basically at 650 subs, and I'm just blown away by all your guys' support. So feel free to subscribe. A lot of cool things will be coming up soon. All right, have a good one.